Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Happy Mass Monday and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I'm gonna just do the baggage claim Wonder Beauty Golden Eye Mask. I've already pulled it out of here. It comes in a little protective tray of plastic, and inside you can see all the moisture and essence that is inside there. I'm gonna pull that off, and I just felt like my little under eyes needed a little extra TLC, so I'm gonna put them right under there, and we're just gonna do this today. And it's gonna be a relatively, I guess, chit-chat day for the most part. How are you all doing? I never really know exactly how to apply these. I'm just assuming I'm doing it right, but I might not be. I've had several of you tell me, and I probably still don't do it right. But this is how I'm doing. I don't want to get it too close to my eyes. Because I seem to have sensitive eyes and have problems sometimes with even some of the eye creams. And I don't know if that's my eyes or if there's something in that I shouldn't be putting on in the first place. But that's, I really don't know. Let me adjust this a little bit. But anyways, how are you all doing today? Did you have a great weekend? Today, we woke up to 50s, like the upper 50s for the low, and that is just fabulous. That means fall is on the way for Texas. We're still going to heat up to 80 or 90 today, but at least it's, we're starting off with the crisp mornings that are a little bit cooler, and it has more of that fall vibe versus being so hot. I mean, during the summer when it was over 100 degrees every day, we were lucky to have a low of a 95, whatever. It was still hot. It didn't matter. It was just hot, just plain old hot and too hot. But anyways, there's a couple things I just want to talk about today. First of all, I'm sure most of you have heard of Connie Up North and her accident. And we're all been praying for her, and many of us have put either clips or comments in our videos so that you can know, that she needs healing prayers. And today she uploaded her, I think it's called Domestic Goddess Collab. She was working on that the day she had her accident and had not been able to finish it, obviously. But today she put that video up along with a personal message from the hospital, because she is in the hospital. She's got broken arms, both of them both legs are broken, ribs, hips, bruised heart. She's just got a lot of healing that needs to be done. She did say she got the brunt of the accident, and she was very glad to be alive. So please keep her in your prayers, and I'm going to have her video link down in my description so you can easily go over there and check Connie out. If you don't know Connie or you haven't subscribed to her, I would ask you to consider to subscribe to Connie as well. I know she may not be able to put out regular normal videos right now because she's healing. But she's a great lady, and she's got a will to live, and she wants to keep on trucking. And I'm just so proud of her that she just had the, I don't know what you call it, the gumption to go ahead and edit and get that video out, and also to tell us about everything. But, she's going to have a long road to go. And, yeah, she is a strong lady, but she still needs our prayers. So please check out that video, and if you like that and her other content that she has on there, go ahead and subscribe to Connie and support her, not only on YouTube, but of course the main thing right now is support her in prayers or healing vibes, whatever it is that you believe, that's what you should do. I believe that the Lord Jesus Christ can heal in the name of Jesus, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I just wanted to share that with you all. The next thing that I want to talk about, which is my packages. I've had several winning videos since, I believe, since I won with Arlene, and I haven't gotten any of those packages out. I have been swamped here with puppy business, basically. and life in general. And so I am way behind, but I want you to know that I do have 4 of them packed up, and those will be going out for sure this week, and the rest of them should be headed that way pretty soon. So I'm sorry that I'm running behind on that, but I will get those to you as soon as possible. And of course, I appreciate all of you. I appreciate your support, and I appreciate your understanding when things are just kind of, not the norm. And I do not have the norm right now as far as business goes and, the workload that I'm under. Well, I kind of explained it to my husband. I said, you remember when we had our babies, when they were newborn, and you had to get up and feed them every 2 hours or do something almost every couple of hours, and you're just exhausted. It doesn't mean that you're lazy or you don't want to do it. You're tired. And I would have to say that's a kind of like what I've been going through the last few weeks until all these puppies get their homes and get situated. And there's several going out this week, so I'll be busy with getting them to their homes. A lot of people pick up their puppies, but some of them I meet at DFW Airport, and I do have some that I'm going to be doing this week that's going to fly home. That's another thing that's been keeping me kind of busy, so I may not have as many videos posted as I normally do, only because I don't have time. I've got to take care of what I call my regular business. That's the most important thing right now in order for me to be able to bring you content on this channel. It's kind of got to be a balance. But today I am going to share my BarkBox with you real quick. The puppies have been getting into it, but they haven't gotten into it all the way. I'll show you what progress they've made. And I am going to let them finish getting in here, but because this was last month's September box and them having a slower time of getting in, I'm going to go ahead and show it. And I'll show a little bit of footage at the end of what they accomplished thus far. But this particular is called Playcation Italy. Oh, so how cute. Let's see what kind of toys we're going to have. This is actually our product card. And when you get it, you can just pull it right out. And it shows you the other toys that you could order. So if you wanted 3 toys, you would pay like $35.99 a month. I get 2 toys and pay $24.99 a month. And these are some of the ones that we could be getting. And we'll find out what we have. BarkBox also sends 2 bags of treats and usually a chew toy, or a chew, like a dental chew, a pumpkin chew or something like that. And I just really like it, and my dogs really like it, and the toys are good and sturdy. So the first toy that I'm pulling out of here looks to be behind the scene, or behind the squeaks. And it's like a little gondola. Because when you're in Italy, you might be going down the river in Vienna, and they've got like a little, I don't know if that's a little parrot or a little bird. Let's see what it says. It's St. Bark's Pigeon, and that is just so cute. Isn't that adorable? You got the little birdie and you've got the little gondola, and I'm sure that represents Vienna. And then the next little item toy that we have in here is Mutto Beanie Pasta. So it's shaped like little pastas. Isn't that cute? So they can have a little pasta to chew on and munch on. And of course, they'll all be squeaky and all that kind of good stuff, which is very nice. And then our chew that we got this month is pumpkin and honey recipe. And they love those little chews. And then this month we received the Ba Jerky Bites, and it's the lamb recipe. And you'll see that it's got no grains added, lots of lamb and chewy jerky. That's because I request to have GMO foods for my puppy dogs, and they love the snacks. And then we've got Gobble Jerky Bars turkey recipe, and same again, lots of turkey, U.S. turkey, chewy jerky, and no grains added. And that is my BarkBox. So we've got the 2 treats. And you can always add on treats too, I imagine. They always send an email out every month asking if you want to add on. So if you wanted to buy extra toys, you could certainly do that. But these toys are good quality toys. It's very hard for them to tear them up. I'm not saying they can't be tore up, because I've got some Yorkies and some Jack Russells, and by golly, yeah, they can tear up anything if they want to. And the Jack Russells especially like to do that. Anyways, I just think he is so cute. Oh, it's so precious. So look at the end for a little bit of footage of the little puppies. Hey, I only needed to have this on for 10 minutes. It said 10 to 15. I can tell you it feels very nice and it adheres to your skin very good. The Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Mask are just really excellent, and I would highly recommend them to you if you're interested in finding just some eye masks. They are great. I think I'm getting down to my last ones. I'm going to have to order some more, but I do have some 24 karat gold eye masks that I had received from my Goldie box, and I do like those as well. So as for today, that's pretty much all I have. So let's go ahead and take these off and see how they did. It says to peel them off, and then it says to just pat gently underneath after you've done the mask. And it feels very refreshing, and it'll probably help my eyes a little bit. They seemed a little irritated this morning. So that is my Mask Monday. And guys, I just had a battle come out with Sue and Laura, and I'll have that link down in the bottom. If you don't know Sue, you need to run over there and see reviews with Sue. Sue does all kinds of unboxings, and she is an affiliate with Amazon, so she can introduce to you a lot of products that you might not ever think that you ever needed, or you hold the truck. For example, she showed a tray for your sink. So you know how sometimes you have your soaps and your sponges and all that, and they're just kind of hanging around. Well, this was a nice little stainless steel tray that you could set on your sink for that, and or you could use it separately after washed and cleaned, of course, for vegetables, if you're washing vegetables and things, and then let them dry there, which I thought was an excellent idea. She brought that up. So she has a lot of things on her channel. I think today she might have a Michael's haul. Oh my God, if you haven't seen a Michael's haul, you have to go see hers. She finds the most fantastic deals. I mean, $5 boxes. It is just amazing. So please go check out Sue. If you like her content, I would ask you to subscribe to her. She's a great lady. I love her. We're great friends, and she's a great lady, has a great channel. Now, I would also like to ask you to go over and see Laura Wooten Unboxings. She too has a great channel, and if you didn't know, she's my daughter, and she does a lot of unboxings. She does unboxings of all kinds, books. You know, she does some of the ones that I do, but then she does a lot that I don't do. She does a lot of Phantom type unboxings. So if you like Friends and Harry Potter and stuff like that, then she's a go-to for that, and all kinds of book boxes. And guys, she's going to have her 25 days of Christmas this year. And if you don't know what that means she gives away a box, a subscription box, every day. She shows it, she features it, and you can put your name in to win that box. And she gives away 25 subscription boxes during that 25 days of Christmas. So be sure and check out Laura's channel. I would go ahead and get subscribed, get familiar with her, and be ready to sit back and watch her Christmas program. It's practically the whole month. So those are my shout outs today. I wanted to do that real quick, and we did just have a FAFITFUN battle. I was Queen Jackie, and I don't know that I'm going to stay Queen because we had some good boxes, and I think right now the way it's looking, I'm not sure. It's between Laura and Sue. But y'all go and check out that video. Be sure and enter to win on those. Also check my description down below. There are several giveaways that are going on my channel right now. And my last Monday's giveaway for I Won, So Can You with Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Yeah, there's another great channel. You got to go check out the Wicked Awesome Lifestyle ladies. They are great. Talk about unboxing all kinds of boxes. They unbox just a ton of boxes, and Sherry just shops and shops and shops, and she actually lets you know, okay, don't get this one, because she'll buy some duds, and she certainly tells it and points it out, but she also finds some great ones that you might want to subscribe to. So Erica and Sherry with Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, be sure and check them out. And guys, I guess that's all I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye. Well, it's the beginning of BarkBox Day. All the little puppies are checking out the box, jumping on it, getting on it, and pretty soon they'll have their way through the box, and we'll check back with them soon. So, happy BarkBox Day, little puppies. Y'all making progress? Yeah, you're making a little progress. Yes, indeed. See some daylight over here. Yeah, look at you, little cutie. Yeah, little cuties. A while ago, they had it flipped up, so they're getting it loose. They just don't realize how close they are. Yeah, you're getting very close. Well, they've gotten distracted. Someone brought over a stuffed poodle bear. Yeah, so now they're working on the stuffed poodle bear. Maggie, are you gonna just sit on the box? Maggie! You gonna just sit on the box? You usually say hi to everybody. Yep, no, we have a detour. It's to the polar bear right now. Yeah, except Maggie wants to do is clean the box, as usual. Isn't that right, girl? Yeah, there's going to be a few multitude helpers behind you. Going to work on that box. We'll get it open. We'll be checking back. Johnson, are you going to get that off of there? Huh? Are you going to get in that box? Are you going to be the winner? Yeah, you're going to be the winner. Here comes Maggie to help you, Zoe. Oh, I see the gun girl. Are you going to get it? Are you going to get it out there? Yeah, Leo, get it. Oh, is it going to be Cooper? Cooper, are you going to get it? Who's going to get it? You're just climbing all over it. I'm getting close. I see something yellow. Pull it out of here. Yeah. Get it. Oh, nice. No, Lexi got it. Lexi's the winner. She went to work on top of that little sun box. She's going to enjoy her little treat there of her pasta, her beanie pasta. And they're still looking in there. Will they find the rest of it? I bet they will.